Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got an order from Close to My Heart, so I wanted to unbox it and show you guys what I got. I did have a couple of customers order, so I just did one order, so added that onto mine. And it's not a huge order, but I got some super cute fall stuff. I know we're still kind of in that summer mode because it's been very hot, especially here in Colorado Springs. But I'm ready for fall. These are really cute. I'm very excited about what I got. So let me show you. So one of my customers from my card class ordered Writing in the Sand. That is the stamp set here. But when you stamp it, it looks like waves coming in on the seashore. Who says seashore anymore? The beach, whatever. And sand. And it's super cute. Always little sentiments there. See you soon. Hello. Thinking of you. Miss you. And then this one is an ocean breeze puts the mind at ease. So that's for one of my customers. My sister ordered a couple stamp pads from me, and then I ordered a couple. So I got Lagoon and Mocha, and she got Espresso and Candy Apple. And then I got the Mocha because it's one of the colors in this coordinating cardstock pack that goes with this one, which is so cute for fall. This is Crisp Air, and it's got mocha, nectarine, paprika, peach, pine, sapphire, Sundance, toffee, and white daisy. And I also got these cute little epoxy sticky embellishments that will look really cute with this paper. So I just want to show you real quick the sheets of paper here. Okay, this is getting out of control here. Get rid of the box. Get rid of the box. Okay, so we have this one, and on the back is that one. So pretty, so pretty. And then this one, which looks kind of like water spots, different colors. And on the back is this one. And then pumpkins. Yeah. So ready for fall. Pumpkin spice lattes. Yeah, that's me. Pumpkins, and on the back, these pretty leaves. So I'm super ready. Then I got this stamp set to match it. It's the Stampin' Thin Cuts, and it's called Crisp Air. It's for the card making, so you can make these cute pumpkins with these patterns, like you put 3 together, or you can just stamp them inside the pumpkin and cut it out. So super cute. I'm so ready. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll be making some cards real soon. Have a great day. Bye.